everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious vegetarian recipe. I'm going to make Moong Dal. We also call it Peeli Dal. This is the mung beans, or typical Punjabi we call it Moongi di dal. Half cup. I'm going to wash with cold water, add 1.5 cup water. We'll put it in pressure cooker. We're going to give 1 whistle. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon ginger, 2 small garlic clove and small chili, finely chopped, and 1 small tomato, finely chopped, and cilantro, dhania. Olive oil for tadka and spices from masala Dhaba. I'm going to wash dal with the cold water. So after adding water, just make sure that you wash it well, just like this. You wash it couple times before the water runs clear. I have my sieve and I'm going to place it inside. I'm going to wash it again. So as you see, the water is clear. Get a pressure cooker and we'll place dal inside the pressure cooker. Half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon turmeric powder. This is all we need. Add water. This is 1.5 cup. If you add water first and then later you add salt and turmeric powder, then get a spoon and mix it well. But if you add dal and spices then on top of the water, then this is how it's gonna look. So you don't have to worry of mixing it. So we're going to close the cover and we'll put it on gas. Start gas and put the pressure cooker on top of it. And we're going to wait for 1 whistle. And then we're going to start the other burner. Open the lid. Add olive oil. 2 teaspoon olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, half teaspoon cumin seed, jeera. Give 10 seconds. This is good. Add ginger, garlic, and green chili. Mix it. Cook until the garlicky flavor is gone. This is good. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving. We're going to cook onion until they are nicely brown. Our tadka is getting cooked. We have our first whistle and we're going to turn off the gas. Tadka is also nicely brown. Add tomatoes. Mix it well. We're going to cook the tomatoes along with tadka. After mixing the tomatoes, put the lid on, bring the gas to simmer, and we're going to cover it for 2 minutes. Cooking for 2 minutes. Mix it. The tomatoes are tender. Now add spices. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Mix it well. Spices along with tadka for half minute. This is how it looks, and if you see the oil start to ooze out, our tadka is fully cooked. The pressure cooker is cooling down, so I release the air. Now it cools down and we're going to open it. And this is how our dal looks. And we're going to transport dal into tadka and keep the gas on simmer. Dal is fully cooked and we're going to make sure we scoop out. Mix it well. We added 1.5 cup water, and now we're going to add more water. After mixing it well, add 1 cup water. So altogether we have 2.5 cup water. Now bring the gas to medium and mix it well. Bring the water to boil. Cover with the lid and bring the water to boil. If the water started to boil, mix it. Dal is all ready. I'll add cilantro, dhania, the coriander leaf. Mix it well and bring the gas to simmer. So once it's nicely combined, on simmer, cover with the lid, and we're going to give 2 minutes so that it will soak up all the cilantro flavor. We let it simmer for 2 minutes. I'm going to open it. Our delicious dal is all ready. Mix it, and I'm going to dish out. I have my serving bowl ready. In typical Punjabi, we call it channa. And look at this delicious dal. This is very tasty and very delicious dal. Let me share with you. We're going to temper our dal. We're going to get the small kadai, very little oil, Fenugreek Seed, Kashmiri Mirch seed, Jeera, Cumin Seed, and mustard seed, sarson the seed. As the oil start to heat up, I'll bring these. As the mustard seeds start to sputter up, we're going to add small amount of degi mirch and coriander leaves, dhania. Turn off the gas. This is good. Our dal is all ready, and now we'll bring tadka. This is the tempering is all ready, and we're going to put it on top of it. Look at the sizzling noise. And this is our Peeli Dal. When you put this tadka, this becomes like a Dhaba style or restaurant style. So please try it. And it's very tasty and delicious Moong Dal vegetarian dish. You also can call it Peeli Dal. Please try and share and comment below how it turned out for you. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.